Outstanding small renovation restoration project, Uintah County Care Center. Originally built in the 1960s, this facility was due for another major renovation, this one adding 14,000 square feet, including 14 new private residence rooms, a day room, dining room, and a spacious, flexible multi-purpose room. The multi-purpose room is highlighted with exposed heavy timber trusses, a tongue-and-groove cedar ceiling, and clear-story windows that run the length of the room. The design and construction team brought a hospitality approach to the project, creating a warm, inviting environment reminiscent of a luxury hotel. A warm color palette, natural wood trim, and dramatic windows create a unique atmosphere for a medical facility. Private rooms feature efficient layouts with distinct zones for both families and caregivers. The exterior features a base of emperor brick capped by a natural precast concrete caps and highlighted with gold, ephes, and dark bronze accents. The project was submitted by Ascent Construction.